it's a minus parking. I just want to
Let me ask you a question. Do you have to park in between the lines in Italy, or do you just come like that?
In Italy, everybody does whatever they like. Come on. Okay.
Come on.
Trial number 55.
Take 72 parking.
How was your hike, Kashmir?
Kashmir, what do you like about hiking? Okay, you ready?
Ciao.
We have Erica P, that's how she likes to be called.
And Kashmir?
And Kashmir, he's the most famous one here.
What I have to say?
So Erica, what is your favorite part about hiking?
Being with you. I'm joking. And okay, of course I have a best trainer.
Is there a
but
microphone?
I really, okay, sorry. Hi guys. So basically I really love to be in the nature, and I think sometimes it's very like calming and relaxing and healing to be in the nature, like listen the birds, listen at the ocean. Yeah, exactly. Sorry, I need the subtitles sometimes, but Peter can translate for me.
Yes.
Yeah, and I find it very special, and it's a lot of time I get a lot of idea for my work, you know. Oh, Kashmir is done with the interview, I think. Kashmir, don't give your back at the camera. That's not cute. He also loves his trainer, you know. Yes.
Where's your favorite place to hike in Los Angeles? Besides this hike, which is in the Palisades, but we won't tell you the exact location.
Why not?
What's your second favorite hike in LA, in the Beverly Hills / Bel Air area?
I don't know, I have to say that my favorite hike is actually Malibu, because I love to overview the ocean, and there is one that is near Matador Beach that I'm obsessed. Or like a yellow flower, and you can see the ocean and the rock. I think we went there with the Ranch Malibu. It was really beautiful, like 5 hours hike. Get ready guys. Another one that I really love is in Beverly Hills near my house is Franklin Canyon, which is like not busy. It's like a little path that go up, and like you have incredible view of the city, which is really nice. I think it's Kashmir's favorite because you have a lot of friends there.
And then last question, what's the longest hike you've ever been on? Was it the 4-hour hikes, or have you gone longer? Come here,
Oh my goodness, the 4-hour hike already killed me. So the first time I did like the long hike with Peter, I arrived with my Chanel backpack, and he's like, no. And I got this huge backpack that contained water inside, and I tell you guys, you need it because you get really dehydrated and
And she dehydrated.
Yeah, thank you.
And she only wanted Fiji water.
Of course.
In her camelback.
Always.
She
always.
only drinks Fiji.
Cheers, guys.
Come on, Erica.